how to install Brave browser on Android TV. I'm going to tell you how to install Brave browser on your Android television. Brave isn't on the Play Store for Android TV, but you can sideload it. Here's how. 1. On your Android TV, go to Settings, Device Preferences, Security, and enable unknown sources. On your phone or PC, download the Brave APK, available on both your phone and TV, to send the APK to your television. On your television, open the file using File Manager like Explore and install it. Once installed, open Brave using Sideload Launcher or TV app repo. That's it. Full-featured Brave browser now running on your Android television.